Meaning of fry up.
Fry up.
Fry up.
Fry up.
Fry up. A fry-up is a type of breakfast meal that typically includes fried eggs, bacon, sausage, black pudding, beans, mushrooms, and toast. It's a hearty and satisfying meal that can be found in many cafes and restaurants across the UK. The frying of these items gives them a crispy and savory taste that is perfect for starting the day. Despite being high in calories, many people enjoy a fry-up as an indulgent treat on special occasions or weekends. Overall, a fry-up is a quintessentially British breakfast that has become a beloved tradition for many.